Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix keyboard not accurate on iPhone. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your keyboard is not accurate on iPhone or not working on iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is close the app. Which app you are using, simply or keyboard is lagging, not working, not accurate, simply close the app and reopen it again and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is reset keyboard settings. Go to the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset keyboard and dictionary settings and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is disable predictive text. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find keyboard and you can see appears on screen. Simply disable predictive text and disable auto correction. You can see both are disabled. Simply if enabled, simply disable and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check for software update. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely turned off, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset all settings. Go to the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your iPhone all settings and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is clear cache, clear virus from your iPhone. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find Safari and tap on it, little bit again scroll up and tap on clear history and website data. Close tabs and history and website data and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is contact with support.apple.com and visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer for fix this problem. Remember to always keep your iPhone software up to date and restart your device regularly to avoid issues. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone keyboard not accurate after update new iOS version. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.